Today's video, we're gonna take off some window tint off this GX470. I just prefer it to be a little less dark on the front two windows. I think all it's gonna take is a razor blade to get the corner started. Slowly peel back, and I'm gonna be using a heat gun just slightly to add some heat to the window as we pull it down. Okay, I got a little edge there. Oh, shoot. Come over here. You can see I missed getting the edge there, so it's starting to peel off. Okay, I'm gonna get this going. I gotta catch this up over here. Okay, I think I got it. I'm gonna try to merge these two pieces together into one. Got it. Okay, you see how that's one piece now? So it's two pieces, now I got a good pull going here. Bring the window up a little bit. Applying steady, even pressure, a little heat gun right as it's coming off. Get a little more up here. With a little heat, it doesn't do that sticky sound. It's coming off nice and smooth. I'm not getting the heat gun very close at all. Get the window all the way up now. This was just a little too dark for me. I like being able to see out a little better while I'm driving. I like the non-tinted driver's side. I'm gonna keep the rest of the windows tinted. Okay, it's getting close to the bottom here. From up top. This is the last little bit. And that's it. Okay, so that literally took me like 5 or 10 minutes to do both of them. And I think it looks great. And it's done. It didn't leave behind any residue at all. I'm probably gonna wipe the windows down a little bit just to make sure, but good luck. Don't be afraid to try that job if you need to do it. Okay, take care, have a good one.